Today is Shibuya Day guys. Andito kami ngayon sa bus stop malapit sa hotel namin. So first time namin magbabus to go around the city of Tokyo. Talagang nakalaan ang araw na to guys for Shibuya. So dyan lang kami for the majority of the day. Kaya let's go. So bago ang lahat, need muna namin mag-breakfast and may nakita si Sel na dinadayuhan na spot on the way to Shibuya. Itong Mikasa Deco and Cafe, which is famous for their jiggly, fluffy pancakes. Tip lang guys, maglaan kayo ng oras dito kasi pinipilahan talaga siya. And if puno pa sa loob, you'll have to wait outside bago kayo papasukin. Ayan na yung pancakes namin guys, binubuo na and si Sel din nag-order ng matcha to start off her day. Look at those pancakes. So after brunch, nag-bus ulit kami for a few minutes going to Shibuya. And syempre, you can go to Shibuya nang hindi pumupunta sa Shibuya Sky. Ayan siya guys, this massive building and nasa tuktok yung best view ng Tokyo. So, a few tips lang dito. First is you have to book in advance guys kasi marami nagbo-book dito and paunahan siya. You can book online like kami, nag-book kami via Klook and para sa aming dalawa ni Sel, naka 2,912 pesos kami. You can start booking 14 days before yung target date nyo and may iba't ibang time slots from 10 AM hanggang 9:20 PM ang latest. And ang pinakamabilis mag-sell out na slots is mga 5 to 6 PM dahil dun yung sunset. So kami nga nakuha na namin time is 3 PM kasi naubusan kami ng 5 to 6 PM. So schedule and book at the right time guys. So bago umakyat, umikot muna kami sa lounge area nila. May mga stores dito and mga kainan din if gusto nyo ng restaurants with a view. Okay, so yan guys, bakit na kami ng Shibuya Sky? Let's see what's up here. Oh, there you go.
Thank you, Lord, for this weather.
Alright, so 2 levels siya guys and para umakyat sa very top, you ride these very Instagrammable escalators. I'm sure nakita nyo na yan while researching online guys. Doon ang Sydney, look. Meron din ditong sky bar kaso nagbubukas pa siya sa gabi pero no matter kasi pwede naman tayong mag-relax or mag-sightseeing lang and kumuha ng pictures dito.
This is how windy it is here.
Yeah, super windy.
Lamig.
Kapresko.
Lamig. malamig. Tapos every corner, meron naman kayo mapipicturean mula east, west, north, south. Ito. This is the east side. Then there's a west side there. North and south.
So hindi kayo maubusan ng pipicture. Again, a ride down sa Instagrammable escalators. Oh, and look guys, pati si Naruto nakakakit na dito. And then pa-exit, dadaan kayo dito sa Sky Gallery. So parang mini art gallery siya with a view. May kainan din dito guys kung gusto nyo magmerienda muna. Alright, so next pagkababa namin, nagpa-picture kami sa statue ni Hachiko. Small statue, pero given na napaka-iconic ni Hachiko, pinipilahan din to ng mga tourists. And right next to it, ayan na guys, yung Shibuya Crossing. So hapon pa lang yan, ganyan na siyang kapuno. Pero babalikan natin yan mamaya. We've got some time, so naglibot muna kami and napadpad kami dito sa Onitsuka Tiger. So kita nyo naman guys, sobrang pack siya. And dito namili si Sel ng bagong shoes. So these are her first pair of Onitsuka Tiger shoes.
It's the classic. Ah, is it? Okay. So after this is your, here's my shoes. And then there's the ramen.
After that, nagpa-reserve kami ng dinner dito sa Ichiran Ramen. One of the best ramen spots in Tokyo. Pero guys, agahan nyo magpa-reserve dito sa Shibuya branch nila kasi pinipilahan din siya. 1.5 hours pa bago kami nung nagpa-reserve kami. So buti na lang medyo maaga kami nagpa-reserve. And habang naghihintay, nag-ikot-ikot muna kami sa Shibuya. So ito, isa sa mga pinuntahan namin is Tower Records, which is kahilera lang ng Ichiran Ramen. For the music lovers and collectors out there, this might be a playground for you. Multiple floors ng mga records from all genres and artists, andito lahat yan.
Who's that?
Andre, City Pop. Japanese City Pop.
No music, no life. And then here you go.
Tapos ito nga, pwede pa kayong makinig kung gusto niyo ng preview ng mga CDs.
Ah, 1 hour and 30 minutes, that's the normal waiting.
Alright, so finally, oras na namin sa Ichiran Ramen.
Circle the...
What onion do you want?
Ah. Arigato. We deserve this. Yung seaweed nila, nakaano na siya. Wrap. Kasi busy. I'll try it without ano. Oh my god, daamoy pa lang.
Okay, so madilim na pagkalabas namin ng restaurant pero the lights are bright here in Shibuya and we just had to explore. Hanggang sa napadpad kami dito sa Don Quixote or Donkey.
Wow, wow, wow. This is overwhelming. Hindi kayo pala siya.
So sa mga may hilig mag-shop or mamili ng pasalubong dyan, dito talaga sa Donkey ang puntahan pagdating sa mga yan. Kaya habang andito na kami, namili na rin kami ng mga pasalubong for family and friends back home.
If you have the energy, go. But if you don't, it's overwhelming here.
And to cap off the day, hindi pwedeng hindi tayo tatawid sa world-famous Shibuya Crossing.
Come here. Look at that. Wow!
So that ends our Shibuya adventure here in Tokyo, guys. We hope nakatulong to when you're planning your visit dito sa Shibuya. And if it did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog.